Martina Burke, the matriarch of the fundamentalist Christian Burke family from Castlebar, County Mayo, is a woman who lives firmly by her own rules. A qualified teacher who homeschooled all 10 of her children with extraordinary academic success, she will shortly spend her first night in prison for contempt of court. She will be joined by her daughter Ammi, a qualified solicitor. The Burke women will be arrested by Gardaí executing a High Court committal order to the female Mountjoy prison, also known as the Dohas Centre. The Mayo women are entering an environment far removed from their own lives. When they arrive at the prison, Gardaí will engage in a handover of custody of Martina and Ammi Burke to the prison authorities. A valid committal order from the court must be given to the governor, and then the Burkes will undergo a formal reception process designed to record their details, assess their health, ensure security, and initiate their integration into the prison system. Both Martina and Ammi Burke will be strip searched by an officer of their own gender, and they will then be provided with prison clothes, which is generally a tracksuit. Any property or cash they have in their person will be listed and stored until they are released in 2 weeks. As both Burke women are now convicted of criminal contempt, they will be fingerprinted and photographed, and their physical measurements recorded. They will also be assessed by a nurse or doctor. They will then be taken from the main reception area of the prison to their cells. If either woman says they feel unsafe, they can ask to be placed on a protection wing where they are segregated from the general population. A source told the Irish Independent there is a strict regime in place at the prison as it is currently extremely busy and overcrowded. They explained that if the Burke women were inclined to protest in their usual manner, they will not be awarded any leeway whatsoever. They said disruptive behaviour like that seen in the High Court by the Burkes would not and cannot be tolerated to ensure the smooth running of the prison.